elbow. Now as you reach, your eyes follow your left hand up and your right hand down. And as you're reaching up, you want to be inhaling. Look at the other hand as you exhale down. Breath in. Exhale down. In and down. Step a little more than shoulder width apart, raising your hands, looking to one side, just nice wide opening. Breath in, exhale, looking to the other side. Each of these exercises, typically you want to do them 4 times, but you can do them as many times as you want. If it feels good, do it longer. This one here, you don't need to turn around. I just turn around to show you. You want to bring your hands behind your back, raising your shoulders as high as you can. Bring your hands underneath your armpits and then pushing the energy down. Up behind your back, as high as you can. This is getting a nice shoulder rotation. And bring your hands down. Getting the chi flowing, working all the joints. Some nice stretches to the muscle. Great way to begin any day, just 15 minutes to get the chi flowing, to begin your day, and watch how productive your day becomes. Right hand behind the sacrum. And notice as your hands come behind your back, one hand goes on top of the other. It's to get a further stretch. Nice breath in as you bring your fist to your hips. Turn, keeping both legs straight. Get a nice stretch. You can bend your front leg slightly and look behind you as far as you can. And as you're in the motion, that's where you want to take your inhalation. Your exhale is when you come back to center. Now, interlock your fingers, pushing your palms up to the ceiling, and just reach to the side as far as you can go. A nice stretch for the spine and the hips. Bring your hands back down. Interlock your hands again. Reaching up, feet together, and side bend to the other side. Nice breath as you're going up. Exhale as you're coming down. Just placing your hands on your hips And this is just opening the hips. So you want to move to the left, to the front, to the right, to the back. And the goal here is to keep your torso as still as possible while just moving your hips and your sacrum. A nice, easy movement in one direction at least 4 times, and then the other direction. Take a wide step to the left, bring your hands up, open them, and now this is wings fly down, and allow your hands to drop. Your legs are straight, nice stretch, allow your head to hang, and roll up, stacking each vertebrae on top of the other, mindful and aware of your body the entire time. Fly down. Notice that we follow one hand, fly down. Very mindful, spine is straight, and then let your head drop. Stacking the vertebrae on top of another. Hands on hips, and step to the left. As you do this, your right leg remains straight, your left knee is bending, getting a nice backward stretch. Mindfully aware. And here you're going to reach down, put your hands over your knees. Reach down to your feet, touching the tops of your feet. Raise your buttocks for a nice stretch to the back of your legs. Reaching down to your knees, going down into a squat, covering your feet with your hands. Raise your buttocks. Straighten your legs. Nice breath in as you go down, and exhale as you come up. Stepping into a wide squat. Right hand comes down, covers your knee. You go into a wide squat, straighten up, and just change. Reaching up to the sky very high, come down over the knee. The other hand comes out, straight up, going into a squat. This happens to be one of my favorite. Just opening up the spine, the brachial plexus, the hips, strengthening the legs. You can do this as long as you wish. Interlock your hands, feet together, pushing up as high as you can, palms up, reaching out. And as you're bending over, really reach in front of you, all the way down, touching your feet and rolling back up. Nice breath in, pushing up, bending and reaching out as far as you can. Tops of the feet. Simply slide your hands up the sides of your body. Pushing up to the sky, reaching out. This is bending to the knees in 3 directions with your knees. So bending to the left, keeping your hands over your knees, feet are together, to the right, back, to center, to the left, to the right, back to center. And then opposite direction. Bring your hands up, out to the sides. Raise your knee, pull it into your chest. Back down, arms open. Reaching out, bringing the other knee up to your chest. Back down. This last move here, take a nice step forward, bending both knees and pushing up on the ball of your foot on the back. So stepping in the front onto your heel, rolling onto the ball of your foot, stepping forward again, rolling on from your heel to the ball of your foot, and a nice stretch up onto the back toes. Next time I do this, I will give you access to where the feet actually are going, and step back, mindful. Bring your arms up, bringing up the chi, coming up, spreading it over your body. Thumbs out. Namaste.